The Wise Gardener. In a small village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a wise gardener named Mia. She tended to her garden with care and kindness, nurturing vibrant flowers and lush greenery that brought joy to the entire community. One day, a curious child named Leo approached Mia and asked, "Why do you spend so much time and effort on your garden?" Mia smiled and replied, "My dear, a garden is much like life. It requires patience, love, and attention to flourish. Just as we sow seed in the soil, we plant kindness and compassion in the hearts of others." Leo was intrigued and decided to have Mia tend to the garden. As season passed, they witnessed the beauty that bloomed from their shared efforts. One stormy day, a powerful wind ravaged the village, leaving destruction in its wake. The once vibrant garden was now in disarray. Leo felt disheartened, but Mia remained calm. She said, "Life like a garden has its storms. Remember, dear Leo, storms pass. With resilience, the garden of our hearts can bloom again." Through teamwork and perseverance, they restored the garden to its former glory. The village learned not only about gardening, but also about facing challenges with grace and rebuilding what was broken. And so, the tale of the wise gardener spread, teaching everyone that kindness and resilience can cultivate a beautiful and enduring spirit.